Mastering English Derivation, Building Blocks of Words. Hello, word wizards! Today we're delving into the world of word formation, specifically focusing on a fascinating process called derivation. Derivation allows us to transform and extend the meanings of words, and it's one of the tools that make English incredibly dynamic and versatile. Let's get started. Derivation is a process in linguistics where we add a prefix, before, or a suffix, after, to a base word or root to form a new word. This process changes either the meaning or the part of speech of the word. For instance, when we add the suffix, ness, to the adjective, happy, we get the noun, happiness. Key point: derivation changes the meaning or part of speech of a word by adding a prefix or suffix. A prefix is a morpheme, the smallest meaningful unit of language, that we add at the beginning of a word to change its meaning. For example, if we add the prefix un to happy, we get unhappy, which means not happy. Remember, prefixes alter the meaning of a word. A suffix, on the other hand, is a morpheme that we place at the end of a word. Suffixes can change the meaning of a word, but they often change the part of speech. For example, adding ly to quick, an adjective, gives us quickly, an adverb. Note, suffixes often change a word's part of speech. Understanding derivation helps us significantly enhance our vocabulary and comprehension skills. It's like having a decoder for unfamiliar words. If we encounter a word we don't recognize, but we know its prefix or suffix, we can infer the word's meaning or how it's used in a sentence. Highlight: derivation helps us decode and understand unfamiliar words. That's a wrap on our journey through the fascinating process of derivation. We hope this discussion has helped clarify how we use prefixes and suffixes to create new words and extend the richness of the English language. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and remember, every word is a new adventure. Until next time, happy word hunting!